It is frustrating when you want to look at or edit a photo or video in Windows, and you get the following error message and the file won't open. Now, if this is also happening to you, make sure to finish this video as we will teach you how to troubleshoot this error. Now, for the first method, you must reset the Photos app. Do it by opening Apps and Features, find Photos or Microsoft Photos, click More Options, click Advanced, scroll down, then click the Reset option. Now, another possible method is to update your graphics. Do it by opening Device Manager, expand your display adapters, right-click on your graphics driver, click Update Driver, then click Search automatically for drivers. Now you have to follow the prompts if an update is available. You may also fix the issue by resetting your Windows Store cache. Now in doing so, you just have to open Run, type in the following command, then press Enter. Lastly, clear your Windows cache. To do it, open this Cleanup, click Clean Up System Files, then ensure the temporary files is checked, then click OK, and then save the changes. Now those are the possible ways if you have the following error message in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.